from far away. I gazed upon my sister Zinia, our silent farewell drifting on the wind. And I walked alone. The sun has fled, night descends, yet no shelter have I found. Shall I lie here in the heart of this forest? There, a hut. Only a roof against the sky. I spread dry leaves. I lay upon the earth. And I thought. The child Mayon, wrapped in the shell of a coconut. What became of him? Did he grow tall, strong? Surely, under Mateus's divine hand, he thrives, he lives. But lo, the hut's pillars twisted like vines and tigers rolling. More and more they came. Two great beasts bearing teeth, do they fight for me? A boy steps forth, skin pale as moonlight, hair of chestnut, brows of shadow, wearing a scarf of coconut husk and trousers of woven leaf. The forest falls silent. A tiger growls, but from the boy's breast bursts a tiger's azure flame. The beast blinks and bows away. My heart cries. It is he, our prince, Mayon, grown to manhood. O Mateus, voice of the wind, light of the leaves, you speak. Go to the forest of spirits, find them by my son's drum. I wake, the tigers vanish, the hut lies broken, day breaks. I hasten on. Past the river of no return where once my sister prayed, past the crimson knotted path to the temple of my God. Old roots, curling vines, I tear them away. Light enters the shrine, I pour the sacred oil, and upon the wall, beasts of the forest, and there, Lucas' drum. I burn the incense from the red land and pray. I take the drum, I strike, and all creatures scatter. The dust of centuries flies. I clutch it to my breast, and I walk into the forest of spirits. cries draw near. I reach the cliff-top meadow. I strike! I strike! The beasts shrink away. I climb the stone. I call them forth. 100 tigers gather, crying to the abyss. From below, a great roar answers. A white-furred giant leaps. He circles me. Breath of the sea, voice of Lucas, and the scent of Mayon. Mateus speaks. The white tigress Shuma bows her head, and through the dust he stands before me, hair of the running horse, brows of shadow, eyes of sapphire flame. At his neck, the scarf I wove with my hands. Mayon, Mayon, I cry, my mother returns. He sighs, he lifts me high. Beasts roar in triumph. Shuma licks away his tears. The savage eye